Your solar PV system needs to be serviced for the same reason your car needs servicing, to make sure it's always running safely. Servicing should only be carried out by a licensed A-grade electrician. One of the risks of not servicing is fires, particularly with older systems. Regular servicing will reduce that risk and ensure you're getting the best efficiency from your system. Solar servicing isn't just a quick clean of your panels. It involves detailed electrical testing of the system's components, including the DC isolator.
Check with your retailer, as there might be a servicing plan with your contract, but avoid rogue operators who claim to service systems. They may be nothing more than a panel cleaning service. Always check your electrician's license before work starts. Electricians have different levels of knowledge about solar installations, depending on their experience and any additional training they have done. Choose an A-grade licensed electrician, experienced with solar installations. Find a licensed electrician for your solar servicing by searching the EnergySafe website. For extra reassurance, choose a licensed A-grade electrician with accreditation by the Clean Energy Regulator. For solar servicing, you should also check with your retailer, as there might be a servicing plan with your contract.